Around 900,000 marriages are recorded annually in Egypt. Official statistics show that at least 40% of these newlywed will be divorced within the first 5 years of marriage. The numbers are overwhelming. It's why the Egyptian president suggests to complicate divorce procedures a little.
When we have 160,000 divorce cases in the first year or two, it means a young household has been torn apart. If they have children, it gets more complicated. As a state concerned with protecting its society, we should issue a law to ban divorce unless it's in front of a marriage official. This will keep many children from living in the streets.
Rights organizations have welcomed the president's suggestion. Unless there is a court verdict, Islamic divorce in Egypt is a verbal power given only to men. And in some cases, that privilege could be abused.
Successful examples in the Islamic world are Tunisia and Morocco. Marriage and divorce there must happen in the presence of a judge. Registering divorce in Egypt by a judge is extremely essential. It guarantees divorcees' rights. In many cases, we witness men who verbally divorce and refuse to register that divorce. And women become neither married nor divorced in the eyes of the states.
But there are some who object to this idea.
Verbal divorce is a religious regulation. When I tell my wife, you are divorced, that's it. She's divorced. There's no other alternative. Marriage is a responsibility in front of God. In the first place, you get married with words. Do you accept to marry this person? You reply, yes, I do. So it's all about words, and we can't change that.
As the divorce procedures become more complicated, the president's initiative could decrease its rates. But it won't eradicate the causes, and in Egypt there are many.
I think in most cases economic pressure is the main reason for divorce, putting financial burdens on many couples. That could represent 60 to 70%. There are other reasons that would then rise once a man is incapable of supporting his house, but Egyptian women don't tend to address these issues as often. There are issues like infidelity, abuse, sexual harassment with or from family members.
They think about divorce before they get married. They think marriage is a trip, a vacation without pressure. And when they face demands, responsibilities, divorce is the first thing they think of.
Experts say the number of divorce cases will increase in the coming years, so there is a pressing need for the government to deal with the main causes, because Egypt already has the highest divorce rates in the world. Adel El Mahrouky, CGTN, Cairo.